Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to our class of today, right? And as we know, last week we concluded Unit 3, right? So today we are going to start a brand new unit, right? We are going to start Unit 4 with the title, This is My Family, okay? So let's start the class, right? Open your books on page 36, right? Open your books on page 36. Look at Unit 4. This is my family, okay? So here in this unit, we are going to study some points, some content about family, okay? So now let's watch a video, okay? Let's watch a video. One, two, three, go!
I'm Dave Kaysen.
And I'm Christy Kaysen.
And together we have 16 kids.
Laura is 3, Morgan 5, Walker 6, Trevor is 7, Rebecca 8, Emma is 9, Harper is 10, Kaylee 12, Gage 14, Bailey is 15, Austin is 17, Dalton 19, Chad is 20, and the eldest is Jessica, who is 22. And then there's 1-year-old Nathaniel and sleepy 2-year-old Sawyer.
Life in a big family is not easy. Every morning, Mom, Christy, takes 9 of their children to 4 different schools. She looks after the younger brothers and sisters for the rest of the day. The Kaysen family lives in a big house, but sometimes 6 children sleep in the same room. They also have a big car. But it takes a long time for all of them to get in the car. Dad, Dave, says it's not easy to take care of so many children.
Okay, now look here, activity letter A, right? Activity letter A. Look at the photo. How many people are in this family? Okay, so look at this photo here. Okay, how many people are in this family? So the teacher is going to play the audio, right? You have to listen to the audio and check the answer. How many people are in this family, right? So let's go. One, two, three, go.
Unit 4. This is my family. Track 1-28.
Mom, Christy Kaysen, and Dad, Dave Kaysen, have 16 children. There are 18 people in the Kaysen family. There are 9 brothers and 7 sisters.
So, guys, how many people are in this family? Answer. Look here. This picture composes the page 36 and 37 of your books, okay? This is the family of the video, right? Okay, guys, now let's move on. Let's go activity letter B, right? Match the words with the numbers. Use the words in the box. So inside of the box, you have 4 words, okay? You have 4 words. Mom, dad, brother, and sister, okay? So let's repeat with me, right? Let's repeat. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Mom, mom, dad, dad, brother, brother, sister, sister. Okay, so you need to write, remember write these words in the numbers, okay? According to this picture, right? Look at this picture and write the words in the numbers, okay? So let's go. One, two, three. Now let's move on to activity letter C, right? Activity letter C. Here in this activity, you need to talk, right? So pay attention. Here you have one question and one answer. Let's practice then. Pay attention. How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. Okay, now let's repeat. Okay, let's repeat. One, two, three. How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. Okay, now here in this space, write your information. Okay, write your information. How many people are there in your family? Okay, write your information. Okay, now let's move on, right? Open your books on page 38. Open your books on page 38. Look at activity letter A. Language focus. Listen and read, right? So here the teacher is going to play a conversation, right? The teacher is going to play a conversation. Listen to the conversation, right? So let's go. One, two, three.
Unit 4, Track 1-29.
Hey, Maya, are those your family photos?
Yes, this is my family in Brazil. That's my dad, and that's my mom.
Are these your sisters?
No, they're my cousins.
Okay. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I have a brother and 2 sisters.
Is that your baby brother?
No, that's me.
Okay, now let's listen to the conversation again, right? But this time we are going to listen to the conversation and read, right? Let's go. One, two, three, go.
Unit 4, Track 1-29.
Hey, Maya, are those your family photos?
Yes, this is my family in Brazil. That's my dad, and that's my mom.
Are these your sisters?
No, they're my cousins.
Okay. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I have a brother and 2 sisters.
Is that your baby brother?
No, that's me.
Now look at activity letter B. Replace any words to make your own conversation, right? So look here at conversation. Look here at conversation, right? There are some blue words, okay? There are some blue words. You are going to change, you are going to remove these blue words and put your information, right? Other possibility, if you don't want to put your information, right, you can replace, you can change the blue words for this information here, right? So you decide, okay, if you want to put your information or those information, okay? Okay, now I have an extra information for you, right? Real English. The word yeah. Look here. Yeah is used in informal spoken English to say yes. For example, do you like Taylor Swift? Yeah, I think she's great. So, in other words, yeah and yes, they are similar, okay? You can use both. Now pay attention because the teacher is going to explain something very, very important, okay? Look here. This is the verb have, okay? Repeat. Have. Have. Okay? This is the verb have, right? In English, I have two forms to use the verb have, okay? The first form is when I use these pronouns, okay? I, you, we, and they. And the second form is when I use these pronouns, he and she. Remember, boy and girl? Pay attention. When I use the verb have in the first form, the verb is normal, right? Look, I have a brother. You have a brother. We have a brother. They have a brother. But when I use the verb have in the second form, the verb is going to change, okay? Pay attention. He has a brother. She has a brother. Okay? So here in the second situation, the verb have changed the form, right? This process happens when you have an affirmative situation, okay? Affirmative situation. But when you have a question situation, is different, okay? When you have the pronouns I, you, we, and they, you are going to use the word do, the auxiliary do, right? Let's check. Do I have a sister? Do you have a sister? Do we have a sister? Do they have a sister? But when I need to use the pronouns he or she, boy or girl, I need to use the auxiliary does. Okay? Let's check. Does he have a sister? Does she have a sister? Pay attention here in second situation. When I add the auxiliary, when I add the word does, the verb does not change, okay? The verb doesn't change. The verb is normal, okay? Now I'm going to say something important about question, okay? When you are going to make a question, you are going to put do and does before the pronoun, okay? Before the pronoun, right? Okay, now we have the information about question. But With questions, I have answers, right? So let's check answer. To answer a question, you have two possibilities, a positive answer and a negative answer, right? In the first situation, this is the positive answer. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, we do. Yes, they do, right? But the negative answer is this. No, I do not. No, you do not. No, we do not. No, they do not. In the second situation, the positive answer is this. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. And the negative answer is no, he does not. No, she does not. Okay, now let's focus on the book again, right? Look here, this table, right? This table has all of the things that I explained to you, right? So now let's listen to the audio, right? Pay attention. 1, 2, 3.
Unit 4, Track 1-30.
I have two sisters.
She has a brother.
They have a brother. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Does she have a brother?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't. Do they have any cousins?
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Now I'm going to play the audio again, right? But this time we are going to repeat, right? We are going to repeat, okay? So let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Unit 4, Track 1-30.
I have two sisters.
She has a brother.
They have a brother. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Does she have a brother?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't. Do they have any cousins?
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Okay, now let's focus on the book again, right? Look here, this table, right? This table has all of the things that I explained to you, right? So now let's listen to the audio, right? Pay attention. 1, 2, 3.
Unit 4, Track 1-30.
I have two sisters.
She has a brother.
They have a brother. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Does she have a brother?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't. Do they have any cousins?
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Now I'm going to play the audio again, right? But this time we are going to repeat, right? We are going to repeat, okay? So let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Unit 4, Track 1-30.
I have 2 sisters.
She has a brother.
They have a brother. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Does she have a brother?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't. Do they have any cousins?
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Okay, now let's practice, okay? Let's make some activities, right? So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Look at this picture, okay? This is a picture about family. Look at this picture. Activity letter A. Label the photo. Use the words in the box, okay? So here inside of the box you have some words, okay? You need to put these words in the numbers according to this picture. Pay attention. Number 5 is done, okay? So complete number 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So let's go. Okay, let's move on. Now let's do activity letter B. Complete the diagram. Use the words from A and in the box. So in this activity, you are going to use the words in the activity letter A and the words that are in this box, okay? You are going to write all of these words in this box, okay? This box is divided in 3 topics: female, both, and male, okay? Look the words, right? Analyze them, then write inside of this box according to the topic, right? Now look at this question, this activity. This is an activity about conversation. Let's check it. Match. Join the correct parts of the conversation. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 phrases, okay? You need to match, you need to link these phrases with the letter A, B, C, D, E, and F, okay? Then you are going to complete the conversation.